Good morning, students. I hope you all are hale and hearty. In today's class, we will come to know about different sounds of different animals. It's going to be really fun. Are you ready for this? So let's start the class.
Today I'm going to take you all for a jungle safari. Are you ready for this? And here we have reached at our destination, where we will learn different sounds of different animals. See, monkeys are here, cat, dog, horse, goat, tiger, monkeys, elephants, deer. We have a variety of animals. Are you ready for this? It's going to be very interesting. Here are elephants. And do you know the sound of elephant? Elephant trumpets. Elephant trumpets. Let's get ready to listen the sound of elephant. And here are monkeys. What sound monkeys make? Monkey chatters. Monkey does chatters. Chatters. Let's listen the sound of monkey. Next is lion. What sound lion makes? Lion roars. Lion roars. Let's listen the sound of lion here. Here is tiger. What sound tiger makes? Tiger also roars just like a lion. Tiger roar. Let's listen the sound of tiger here. I know you all are aware with the dog sound. What sound dog makes? Dog barks. Let's listen the sound of dog here. How dog? And this is horse. What sound horse makes? Horse neighs. Horse neighs. Let's listen the sound of horse here. And this is goat. What sound goat makes? Goat bleats. Let's listen the sound of goat here. I know you all are aware with the cat sound. What does cat make? Cat meows. Cat meows. Let's listen the sound of cat here. I know you all enjoyed this visit to jungle safari. Now students, have fun with making different sounds of different animals and learn the same. Thank you for watching the video. Take care of yourself.